10-day France itinerary. In this video, we'll show you how to make the most of your visit with a detailed itinerary, including flights, travel itinerary, restaurant recommendations, transportation, and costs. Breakdown. Let's get started. First, flights Delhi or Mumbai to Paris. Flights range from rupees 20,000 to 50,000 plus one way, rupees 37,000 to 100,000 plus round trip. Direct flights take 9-11 hours. Prices vary by season, airline, and booking time. Use online travel agencies or airline websites to compare. Flexibility and advance booking often yield better deals. Day 1. Start with the Eiffel Tower. Go early to avoid crowds and enjoy a sunrise view over the city. Next, head to Champs-Élysées and walk towards the Arc de Triomphe. Climb up for panoramic views. Explore the Louvre Museum, home to the Mona Lisa and Venus de Milo. If short on time, visit the Orsay Museum instead. Take a magical Seine River cruise and see the Eiffel Tower sparkle at night. Day 2. Start with Montmartre. Visit the charming streets, Artists Square, and the Sacré-Cœur Basilica for breathtaking views. Grab a coffee at a local Parisian cafe and enjoy a fresh croissant. Stroll through the Latin Quarter and visit Notre Dame Cathedral. Day 3. Explore the Marais district, filled with boutique shops, cafes, and hidden gardens. Visit the Musée de l'Orangerie to admire Monet's water lilies. Day trip to Versailles. Palace, the grandest chateau in France. Walk through the Hall of Mirrors and stunning gardens. Take a train to Loire Valley, 1.5 Agacus. Day 4. Visit Chateau de Chambord, the largest and most impressive castle. Explore Chateau de Chenonceau, known as the Ladies' Castle with beautiful arches over the river. Enjoy a wine tasting tour at a Loire Valley vineyard. Day 5. Rent a bike and cycle along the Loire River, stopping by charming villages. Visit Amboise, home of Leonardo da Vinci's last residence. Close Lucé. Take an evening train to Bordeaux to Sitantuco et Charles. Day 6. Stroll through Bordeaux's Place de la Bourse and Water Mirror. Wine tasting in Médoc or Saint-Emilion, famous for their world-class reds. Enjoy French cuisine at a Michelin-starred restaurant. Day 7. Drive to Dordogne Valley, one of France's most beautiful regions. Explore the medieval town of Sarlat and Baynac Castle. Canoe on the Dordogne River for stunning views of the castles. Train to Provence, Triémétéba à Saint-Ouen-Astéils. Day 8. Explore the stunning lavender fields in Valençol, best in July. Visit Gordes and Roussillon, two of France's most beautiful villages. Try authentic Provençal cuisine, ratatouille, tapenade, and rosé wine. Evening. Train to Nice, 2.5 Fagouat Bahars. Day 9. Walk the Promenade des Anglais in Nice. Visit Monaco. Check out the luxurious Monte Carlo Casino and Harbour. Relax at Saint-Tropez beaches or take a boat to the Calanques. Day 10. Visit Chamonix Mont Blanc for alpine adventures. Explore Alsace for fairy tale villages and wine tastings. Restaurant recommendations: vegetarian cloud cakes, beautiful vegan cakes, pastries, and light meals. Veggie Patisserie, classic French vegan pastries. Hank Vegan Burger, delicious and creative vegan burgers. Le Potager du Maroc, traditional French vegetarian dishes. Any local market, fresh produce, cheeses, breads for picnics. Non-vegetarian, Le Bouillon Chartier, classic, affordable French brasserie dishes. La Pêche, Michelin-starred fine dining with incredible meat, seafood and vegetable preparations. Le Relais de l'Entrecôte, steak frites done exceptionally well. Local bistros, regional specialties, often meat-focused. Chez Jeannot, classic Provençal dishes with meat and seafood. Transportation, high-speed train, TGV, most convenient for long distances. TGVs are fast, efficient, and connect major cities. They offer comfortable seating and often the best travel times for longer distances. Intercity train, TER, good for regional travel. TER trains connect smaller towns and regions. They are slower than TGVs but more affordable. Domestic flights, fastest beats taxi but less eco-friendly. Useful for very long distances within France, but can be less convenient due to airport transfers and security. Bus, most affordable but longest travel time. Buses are the cheapest option, but journeys can be long and less comfortable. Car rental, flexibility, but parking can be challenging. Ideal for exploring rural areas and having flexibility. However, parking in cities can be expensive and challenging. Consider toll costs too.
Explore Nyo to get unbeatable prices on visas, flights, discounts on activities, and much more. Download Nyo today.